Winta just a turn in a spring in the Outer Hebrides, where they're on Scotland west coast. The pretty place them make a member say, them ailan ya soon fulop of people who have left them yaad and come on alidie in the mont them was so reach. But right here now, one group of local people are go on a trip on Naatwes coast island. Back in the days, them would have traveled by water and would have go from island to island in this long string of komyuuniti where people only chat Gaelic. But nowadays, Benbecula ierpuot give people an easy and more comfortable way to go about them business. So the group of them soon meet up and one ierpuot at Donegal. Just like this one, but a couple of hours later in the said group. Archie Campbell and Neil Campbell, they're in the group. And the two of them are chat Gaelic good because of Benbecula them group. The two of them are part of the Ailan Voices community project. For how long now? This project here I make video and voice recording of people who come from the area and put them on the internet. The idea of to help people who learn the language, but same time for build up one collection where show all the people them in the Hebrides live. And to do this, them I use the way the people them chat and how them collab. Enough people started notice of the project, and people will teach English and them will teach Gaelic start pay the project money. And now, the School for the Irish at University of Ulster plan up for same time go check out one community project in the Donegal Gaeltacht. Them plan this year visit here because them want to make the people them when come from the community know about the project for see if them can work together in the same way to help build up the Irish language. Them will keep the meeting at Ashland ran the first year. One resource centre we're just building at the community. And that's how them will do everything from National Irish Language Week start. With young and old people and meet up for a whole heap of different things and competition in a singing, poetry, art and storytelling. First off, Kevin O'Donnell for University of Ulster go chat to Bridana.
Mr. Rijan, could you have a go around a first and Jerry Shot in the show?
Well, chick mit le chéileann seo a hantar an óna de híine agus ní muid cursaí sport agus salín agus mar a dtíad habín galar heiris éagsa le láfa thug muid cuairtear a suun arí nó farste agus bhí muid míon éite dúin si de creigin ar an nire agus ar 9 na héit a héit bhfuil.
Bhuaid tú héan dúis an sa chumartas?
Is jazz agus is evening. Máidín chiúing haurí, dá hí ar an aird, os cin, canalgi dóir, am bradang go solar, la feice at san isce, agus an láfian, agus an chéling, go síos tíbgi dóir.
Then Neil Corma asks Ian McLeary, who are the centre manager, some question about the things in the area where make out a stone, because he can't believe how good them make.
Could you remember talking about Balach, Tassogut and Balach, Toggle harder around the morning, and can't I talk with him?
Well, it's not Dahiji to my journey to grant or kind of claw Alice and death, but the very good day the shade. O harla gur hart ar an chláda tá se bhí ar dainniú ar an seanbhealach anas na ditite seaasal an mara agus nach mún náige da hír ag gíthe hiú an talú. Bhátí siad bus an balla chlaithe a thógal hartar a chorú in é sin. Agus bhra síos sin níos mólinas go bheice fineise
After that, them take one trip to U's house on the shore so the Ulster team could have tried some hard documentary work. That no easy at all on a day when breeze are blow hard.
Just whatever, crier on the one, barre, earing, rag shees, it's just a clay, machine. But Canella, Hallen Shaw, Canella Shin. What I can see in shop, Seo iad na seanchlótha a tháinig amachchas san seanmhailg tí a bhí ar lethar an seo. An anad iad a úsáid fáinne chlótha dúchraid, ri mar hen iad a heabhar, agus mar ecinn sibh chlótha atá an tú a bhí lew yaata, lew iaranta, agus mar ecinn sibh éis tá agus tíomh chuir ar éalaigh, agus bhain mar úsáid tú le éid na tíineh seo óga. Agus a bhhaas an seo riich, feicteach muid an éid ar buine úsáid as an orlais an cráéireann leis na chlótha a scáiltiú sa ghealaigh. Maar ik heb een just kajakishin la balach morire. Like the shot. Oh yeah. The shot like low yente. I cheat to do it yeah. Shani I guess shani such a bit of a shot la shinyamnach.
We'd show near the footbridge where people used to walk over the stream to. We built with stone we cut same way with the crowbar. And KV get to see the mark on the stone there. Meantime, Neil and Archie chat about what them think, about what them see and hear.
Well, Shoshin in the round the first dish. Splayed with a gal and
shouldn't have found splayed, could you?
No, again, in your lilac and your ailan in the goal has stuff.
Yeah.
I'd have come out,
we moesten weer verkeerd in de zo hier te rusteren wat we niet en zo van. Maar daar maken we tien en mensen ergens. Ach, met maar torretje gedaan.
Was je niet tien, gemaakt kollig is je ski dat kan hier.
En mensen naar kun je terug. De hele jaar nog gemoer.
Hij meer wie geestjach kreeg, baarstig geestjach gesneden, geestjach gedaan je kade. Hij is 50 terug wie gemaakt keren geestjach. Maar toko.
Maar kutje te willen hoe te drinken. Ik eigenlijk een heel kutje. Dan moet je de macht geweldig maar waardje en heel wat. En de dagjes kun je maar ha.
Maar daar zie ik wat. Zeg het nieuwe week al steek in de noordkant blieren. Zijn niet zo'n tjech wat riich als in de tagartje show. Zeg het wat zeg ik in Gaelic en heel. Eigenlijk hebben we kinderen verschillende tagartje hoe blieren. Ja wel zeg het zal je wat door kistje had ook koffieland dus had kaarstel naar stoelen. Toch laten fijn para garm chili en hoe gaan listen.
Then before you quit, I time to go back at the kuos and the Donegal ierpuot what them used to. As the plane take off, the land down a ground favor the Hebrides bad. The fact that the people them down there chat with same sound and rhythm, although I might not always the same with them, show we how it's important for different community build up strong link with them one another. And as the plane coming to Benbecula, everybody already a think about how people them from Ireland time come to visit. The island people them can treat them just as good in the proper Gaelic way.
Shani?